So I don't know how woo-woo or superstitious you are, but it's really funny. I sat here today and I made a commitment to myself that I was going to shoot Kajabi related content because I've really been wanting to spread and share more of Kajabi lately because one, I love the platform. It's made us a lot of money and really helped a lot of our customers. And two, I love being an affiliate for it. I love being a partner with Kajabi and sharing my affiliate link with people and getting rewarded. They have one of the best affiliate communities and affiliate programs ever, I think, in terms of how they onboard people, help people, and therefore it has a higher stick rate. So I did all of that. I probably shot videos for an hour or two here, and it's just been a big focus of mine. And then, of course, Ashley goes and checks the mail at our PO box and walks in the door about 10 minutes ago. I just had to set up the camera, and she brings me this, which is my Kajabi partner reward for, I forget the name of the rank, but this is for referring 25 people to Kajabi, which is amazing. So I've gotten a pretty significant cash reward from doing that, but I've loved all of the goodies along the way as well. I think the first one for, was it like one person or 5 people? I got like a t-shirt and a lanyard and a pin and all that kind of stuff. And then, gosh, was it 10 people or 15 people? I got the cool jacket, which I hate that I'm not wearing right now. I think it's in the other room. But I love the Patagonia jacket. And now this, and I actually can't remember what's in this, but currently I have 32 people trialing, no, 33 people, 33 people trialing Kajabi right now on my dashboard, and 33 active and 7 trialing. So there was a delay in sending this out because of all the COVID stuff, and they reached out to me and let me know about that. So by the way, I'll use this as an opportunity. If you need good residual income, if you have a community or even a small following, or you're just a good hustler and you want to be able to make some money by referring Kajabi to other people, go ahead and get signed up. You can use the link in my description. One of the benefits of using that link, other than obviously helping me, and I really do truly appreciate that, but if you go on Kajabi and want to set up a trial account, you're going to get a 14-day trial. If you use the link in my description, you'll get a 28-day trial with that as well. So really good option. Obviously, you want to get some results yourself or be able to teach about it, whatever it might be. If you're a web designer, a developer, and you have clients that you do work for, it's a really awesome platform to get people on, because instead of having to fix stuff yourself, you're able to help them and serve them and basically get residual income forever for it. So really, really cool. All right, let's get this thing open. So this is the Kajabi partner program. This is for referring 25 users and keeping them active. So yeah, it's been great. We've referred people through our online programs and the stuff that we teach over the years, and even just friends. And the other thing, speaking to web developers and designers, I've had a lot of like potential clients that have wanted to do work with me, and if it hasn't been the right fit, instead of me just sending them off to somewhere else, I can send them Kajabi and say, hey, listen, get going on this platform, get some results, then come back to me and we can talk about scaling it. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, all right. So this says, congrats to our Kajabi Emerald partner. Better late than never, am I right? So I think it's because this was kind of delayed. So that's that right there. Super fun from the Kajabi team. And we have some AirPods. Super fun. I'm on an Apple kick. I'm actually picking up the new iPhone tomorrow. And an Apple Watch. Badass. Amazing. Oh, perfect. 42 millimeter space gray. Incredible. How awesome. Well, thank you guys for these goodies. I super appreciate it. And I don't think there's any other surprises in here. Oh, that's fun. It says let's celebrate that. So how cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So grateful. I love good boxes and good packaging as well. That's super fun too. Should probably get a thumbnail right now. Okay, that'll do. That's it. Like I said, if you need any tips on referring people, it's not a competition. There's more than enough people that can benefit from this platform. So, if you need some help and you want to be able to, again, get that residual income from Kajabi, I can help you out. So sign up, use the platform. Link is in the description below, or you can message me if you have any other questions. Also, if you're just a Kajabi customer or a potential Kajabi customer and you want some guidance, check out the other videos on my channel as well. I'm really trying to add content and use cases that aren't really seen anywhere else out there to help you grow a more profitable and efficient business. So, loving this. Thanks again, Kajabi, Kenny and the team. And hopefully I'll be shooting another one of these videos when I hit 50 people. All right, bye for now.